Hello everybody, how are you? Today we're going to talk about how to apply to an international university in UK. Have you considered applying to an international university in the United Kingdom, one of the most popular academic study destination in the world? If the answer is yes, we have created an easy to use and extensive guide with key information that will help you successfully get through the application process for your dream university in the UK. British universities to consider for your studies. Here are some of top British universities you should consider for your study abroad adventure. You can also check out more universities offering online master's degree. International students outside the Europe and European Union economic area pay full tuition fee. Also, non-European students will not be eligible for loans and grants. Students from the European used to pay the same fees as British nationals. But 2020 and the first half of 2021 is the last year when they will have this benefit as well as the option to apply for student loans. Find and compare information about bachelor's and master's degrees in the UK. All applications for bachelor's degree in the UK are submitted using the USCS application website, University and College Admission. The majority of universities will only accept your application through the UCAS. Follow these easy steps to apply through UCAS. Register and create your application on the UCAS website. Apply for up to 5 programs at the same or different universities in the UK. Some universities may require additional tests such as the UCAT or BMAT for medicine or LNAT for law. Most universities allow you to send your application throughout the year, but some degree courses have specific deadlines. It's best to contrast your chosen university to find out specific details about their graduate application process. You can fill in all your details online and scan and upload any required documents such as a copy of your passport and previous bachelor's degree certificate. Language requirements for the UK university application. At UK universities, you have a plethora of degrees taught in English you can choose from. Required universities application documents. Along with your personal information, you will need to submit photocopied evidence confirming your identity and academic history. Graduate applicants may also be required to submit a research proposal. In some cases, universities may ask for additional documents after you have submitted your application. Universities application deadlines in the UK we will talk about later. Here are some of the most important deadlines to consider when applying for a university in the UK. Mid-January UCAS deadline for EU students. End of June deadline for international students from a non-European country. Many universities have different deadlines for international students, especially for graduate applicants. Studying in the United Kingdom means a few extra steps after the application process. If you come from a non-European and European country, you can use a European health insurance card. Apply for the UK student visa if you are coming from outside the European Union. Thanks for watching.